Are you tired of trying side hustle after side hustle but still can't seem to make any of them work? Well, today I'm going to change all of that because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you step by step the exact strategy that you can follow to make money online this month. So hey guys, and welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how you can make money on Temu. First of all, we have your Google Play and you have your Temu Buy as a Millionaire. So you have over than $100 million here. You can just click over install and you get started with Temu. Or you can also open your web browser and dive into Temu.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here several products and the first products you can just start buying that. But Temu is a great platform for you by leveraging its user-friendly features. You can resell products, participate in affiliate marketing, or even start your own store. With a wide range of items and competitive prices, you can find opportunities that suit your interests and skills. Join Temu today and start turning your passion into profits. But right now, I will show you how you can make on Temu money. So first, you have to resell products, participating in affiliate marketing, or starting your own store. Simply find trending items at low prices, list them for sale, and promote them through social media or your network. Additionally, by joining the affiliate program, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your full links. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn Timo into a profitable ventures. So you can just tell people once you start with the Timo by clicking on my link and you get $100 and you buy whatever you want. So if you want to become an affiliate program, all you have to do is scroll down here and you click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have here affiliate and influencer program. Then we have the first information here, which is earn commission with Temu affiliate and influencer. Earn substantial commission with your first products and exclusive offers. Join now to optimize your traffic and unlock significant earnings. So you can just get started right now, but firstly, let's know more information about how you can earn money on Temu. You have your empowering affiliates tailored benefits for every profile. You have your authorized influencers. As a user authorized through our platform, enjoy a range of benefits including have 20% commission, generous commission rates on orders, abundant credits, access a world of credits for additional perks. Then we have user dollar bonuses, receive award rewards for every user dollar. Then we have your websites, as a registered website affiliate, enjoy a range of benefits tailored for your platform. High commission rates, benefit from generous commission rates on orders, tailored benefits here, adjustable commission that match your performance. Then we have here over than 300,000 people have joined us, and you have here activities which rewards for all affiliates. We have here affiliate extra rewards and you have here referral extra rewards. So about the first one here, affiliate extra rewards, you have day one here. As you can see, you can just read this information. Then we have per week earn here. About referrals, extra rewards, we have here $100 coupon bundle. New app users can indulge in a premium experience with clicking your link, receiving an exclusive $100 coupon bundle after the initial downloads. Then we have here free gifts. New app users maximize your affiliate potential. Your referred app users not only get to experience the app's fantastic features, but also stand a chance to receive a complimentary gift from Temu. Then we have here how to start with the Temu affiliate program. The first step we have join, then we have share, and we have earn. So about the first one, we have a list in our driven community of content creators, publishers, and bloggers profiting from the Temu affiliate program. About share, we have strategically share your link, code to invite and engage your audience with a diverse range of high quality products. Then we have the last one, which is earn. Achieve 20% commissions on qualifying purchases and programs, leveraging competitive conversion rates for maximum earnings. So right now I will give you some solutions or some ways to start sharing your links. So the first apps we have it's TikTok. So to earn money on Temu TikTok, you have just to start by creating a catchy videos that showcase popular products, highlight special deals, unboxing, or unique ways to use in teams. Include your affiliate link in your profile, or video captions for easy access. Then engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility. As viewers click on your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have also Pinterest. So about Pinterest, you can just create visually appealing pins that highlight popular Temu products. Use engaging images and descriptions to attract attention and include your affiliate link in the pin details. Focus on the niche topics that resonate with your audience, such as home decor or fashion. Then regularly update your boards with new products and trends to keep followers engaged. As users click on your link and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. Then we have here Reddit. I will show you how you can start with Reddit. So to earn money on Temu or Reddit, you have just to join relevant subreddits where you can share products recommendations, create helpful posts that highlight popular Temu items and include your affiliate link, follow subreddit rules, and then engage with the community by answering questions and providing available insights. Then use a genuine tone to build trust and encourage clicks. Then post regularly to maintain visibility and interest. As users make purchases through your link, you will earn commissions on those sales. So right now I will give you the last step, which is Instagram and YouTube. So to earn money on Temu or Instagram and YouTube, you can just start by creating engaging content and showcase popular products. For Instagram, you can just post your eye-catching photos or reel featuring Temu items and include your affiliate link in your bio. But on YouTube, you have just to create unboxing videos and review or tutorials, plus in your affiliate link in the video description. Then use relevant hashtags and keywords to boost visibility, engage with your audience by responding to comments and encouraging them to check out the products. As they click your links and make purchases, you will earn commissions on those sales. So leveraging platforms like TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, Instagram and YouTube can effectively help you earn money through Temu. By creating engaging and informative content that highlights popular products and strategically sharing your affiliate links, you can attract wider audience and drive sales. Consistent engagement with your followers and staying updated on trends will further enhance your success. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable venture. I hope this video has made the process clear and more manageable for you. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more business tips, tutorials, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below and I will be happy to help. Have a fantastic day ahead. And this is how it works with Timo. Start today and earn commission.